Southgate messed up everything about this England-Slovakia game. He should have benched Palma from the beginning, and had it been Palma was in the pitch from the onset, this game would have changed. The result would have changed. Even though they equalize and win this match, but I believe all this would have been in the past. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think a lot of people in the England media say that they should sack as their coach, which is Southgate, and also that Jude Bellingham was performing badly in this game, even when he scored the equalizer. So I still believe that he played the Real Madrid style of football. They always bring in the surprise at the that minute. So let me know what your thought is in the comment section regarding this match between England and Slovakia. And I also believe that even though England are qualified for today's match, that they won't be able to go far in this tournament. I see Portugal, Germany at the final. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and also share your predictions between Georgia and Spain in the comment section. And then as we move on tomorrow, I will also drop our own daily football predictions. So if you have watched this video till this moment, kindly check the link in the comment section and join our Facebook and WhatsApp channel, so that you'll be receiving short predictions on daily basis. Okay guys, let me leave you here for now, and I will also be in the comment section to interact with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till this moment, and if you have not followed us, kindly follow us, and also subscribe. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe to this channel and follow this Facebook page. We share football predictions on daily basis from 8 a.m. West African time. So always stay tuned and check back every day, so that you get short predictions on daily basis. Thank you so much once again. I'll see you guys later.